All right, let's dive right in. We're looking at a multi-billion-dollar industry today, one that, believe it or not, hasn't really changed in decades. But that's all about to change. And it's thanks to one person who's completely reimagining what you can do with a coconut.
I know, it sounds a little out there, but seriously, think about it for a second. The global coconut industry, it's been kind of stuck in a time warp, using the same old methods for years and years. And if you're an investor, you know that where there's stagnation, there is a massive, massive opportunity for disruption.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll start with the big picture, what we're calling the new coconut frontier. Then we'll introduce you to the innovator himself, Lithin Thomas, and look at the hard proof. 8 brand new products. We'll break down why his background is so unique, point you to a can't-miss event, and then arm you with the key questions you need to be asking.
So let's really set the stage here. We are not talking about having to build a new market from scratch. No way. We are talking about tapping into an enormous, already existing global supply chain and just turning it on its head from the inside out. You see, that stability, that feeling of it's always been done this way, well, that's the crack in the door. That's the opportunity. Anyone who can come in with truly new technology and new products isn't just getting a piece of the existing pie. They're basically baking a whole new one with much better margins and uses we haven't even thought of yet.
And that, of course, brings us to the person who's ready to do it. Because an opportunity like this doesn't just happen. It needs a leader with a very, very specific combination of skills.
Meet Lithin Thomas. He's the managing director at the very center of all of this. And his entire world exists right in that sweet spot where food science and real, scalable technology come together. That right there is where the next big wave of value is going to come from.
And this is why his foundation is so powerful. Just look at this. You start with a B.Tech in electrical and electronics engineering. That's the hardcore hands-on knowledge of automation, of process control, how things actually get built. Then you layer on top of that not 1 but 2 MBAs. That's such a rare combination. It means the same person who can literally design the machinery can also write the global business plan to scale it. It's incredible.
Now, okay, talk is cheap, right? Let's get to what really matters for any investor, the proof. And we're talking about tangible, concrete evidence that this isn't just some pipe dream.
8. Just let that number sit there for a second. This is not an idea on a napkin. It's not a projection on a spreadsheet. This is the number of brand new, fully developed, market-ready products that already exist. 8 of them.
And these aren't just slightly better versions of what's out there. No, these are total game changers. I'm talking about a shelf-stable coconut cream that actually never separates, a high-protein coconut yogurt that's a real alternative, even a virgin coconut oil with a smoke point so high you can use it for serious cooking. Now, the science behind a few of these is a proprietary enzymatic process. The best way to think about it is like this. Imagine the coconut's fats and proteins are locked up. This process is like a special biological key that unlocks them, changing their properties at a molecular level without any artificial junk. The R&D phase, it's done. That huge initial risk is already off the table.
So you can probably see where this is going. Let's connect the dots between that unique background and what it takes to actually build a successful company that can scale.
This right here, this is the synergy that smart money looks for. On one side, you've got the engineering brain, making sure the tech works, that it's feasible, that it's efficient. On the other side, you've got the executive strategy from those dual MBAs, ensuring there's a market, a plan to grow, and a killer go-to-market strategy. It's like one person builds the rocket engine and then also builds the rocket ship and charts the course to the moon.
So, what's the takeaway? You've got a proven innovator, a whole portfolio of de-risked products. What's the very next step for a serious investor who's paying attention?
It's this event right here, VAIGA 2026. It's a huge international expo, and Mr. Thomas is going to be presenting on innovation in coconut products. And listen, this isn't just some panel discussion. This is the big reveal. This is where the deep technical specs on those 8 products and the entire strategic plan get laid out for the first time. For any investor, this is basically the starting gun.
So, to make sure you're ready for that briefing, we've put together a sort of due diligence checklist for you. The critical questions that should be on your mind.
Here are the 4 things you have to walk away knowing. First, analyze the tech. What's the secret sauce, the defensible IP? Second, scrutinize the supply chain. I know you're thinking it. How do you get these new things from farm to fork? And we expect to hear about a really clever decentralized processing model that completely changes that game. Third, evaluate the market. Just how big can this get? And finally, fourth, identify the ask. How much capital is needed, and what exactly will it be used for?
So let's just put it all together. You've got a massive, sleepy market ripe for disruption. You've got a proven innovator with this one-of-a-kind engineering and business mind. And you have eight market-ready products that prove it all works. The next move is that briefing at VAIGA 2026. So really the question isn't if this is a huge opportunity. It's what's it going to take for you to be a part of it.